stations consist of sets of rolls that gradually shape a flat metal strip into the desired C-channel profile. Each station performs a specific shaping operation, ensuring that the final product meets precise dimensional requirements. These machines are equipped with efficient material handling systems that facilitate the smooth movement of metal coils, or sheets through the production process. Material feeding, leveling, and cutting systems are integrated to minimize material wastage and optimize production throughput. Advanced CNC systems control the entire process, allowing for the adjustment of critical parameters such as roll positions, feeding speed, and cutting accuracy. Quick changeover capabilities are essential for minimizing downtime between production runs. Modern C-channel making machines are equipped with tooling systems that allow for rapid adjustments and changeovers, ensuring flexibility in the manufacturing process.